Hey Stampin' friends, Darlene with Darlene Stamps. Thanks for joining me today on this channel video, and it is sharing what I love and loving what I do. And this is a paper pumpkin. This is going to be utilizing your kit part 2. And I thought I would just show you how I get inspiration, because these are all the pieces. This is this great kit, and I say that it's been a little challenging, one, because it came late, two, because it has a specific style. So it's a matter of kind of tearing it apart and getting inspiration, but I want to show you how I do that. So since the kit comes with all these wonderful cutouts that come with the kit, and you get, actually we had a special, because this month we got not only the numbers, but we also got the stamp set that normally comes with it. And it's buried again. Anyhow, so there are two. But what I wanted to show you is, and I'm going to show you a picture of something I found on Pinterest and what I did to create it with this kit. All right, so you saw the basic design of that. So this is a sheet that has the numbers, and I can pop them out. But what I did was I took the style that I showed the picture of, and I just made this and cropped it, and then used it so you can kind of see the outline on it, but it gives a great designer. So I used the same concept. So the idea came from the Pinterest with the designer paper, the Celebrate die cut, and then the balloons. So these are just 3 pieces that came from the inside, which kind of is the breakdown. Let me show you these pieces. So these are the little presents. So I just took and cut out the boxes and then just popped with my little balloon things. This one's popped up. And so now it becomes just extra pieces and little presents. So that's what I did with that one. And then let me show you a couple other things that I did. I took the same Celebrate, since I was popping out a whole bunch, took the envelope inside, did I Celebrate, and did little pom-poms just for that, and the little hats. So that was another one. This one just takes the inside of the envelope once again, and my little cake punch that I've got, some little the little facet black things, and black facet, I guess, candy dots. And then let me show you real quick. If you look at the cake, see the different kind of words? I had to improvise, so it looks in purpose now. But when you make a card, and I happen to have touched it so it's smeared, so I made all of them, so you can see how I did that. But I just used the black as a background, took the envelope and popped that up. Then I did another one with the pop-up of the little party hats. This was the confetti, which is the yellow. So in the kit, it does talk about the black, the Bermuda Bay, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, and Poppy Parade. Poppy Parade came in the kit, so I'm just utilizing the bows. This, obviously, is, I cut a strip off of the numbers, and that becomes my little quote ribbon. And so very, very, very simple. I mean, just one layer. I would have probably, if I would have thought about it, I would have probably used thicker paper. This is just a regular Whisper White, which is fine, but when you're having layers like this, there's extra weight to it because you have 2 layers on top of the base. This, there is no layer. So this would have been a better card to use as a thick, Whisper White thick. This one was probably my most fun. I cut my circle out of it and did my 29, because those are the letters that come out of there. On No One Deserved a Happier Birthday than you. So, but I use the presents again, pop this one up, but kind of gives difference. So anyhow, just some alternates, but I thought it's nice to kind of share how I got the inspiration. A lot of them, I saw this one with having the diagonal. And this one wasn't really an inspiration other than I wanted to use up that piece. But it's sometimes using the pieces. So anyhow, that's all I have for today. I'll have one more. I'll have a part 3. We are in the process of doing a move, so I want to get as many ideas in your hands so that you can utilize this kit, because it really is neat. And like I said, I have made some. Like I showed last week with the birthday cake and the candles and such. Takes a little bit more stamps, but what a neat card. So anyhow, hope you enjoyed that. Get into your kit, make some, share some, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.